Hi, I'm Tony Stein of Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we're going to make some display stands to use during our retail operation side on the farm. So these stands are made from stair stringers. I turned them upright and I'm going to use them to display my porch pots, my little reindeer and snowmen that I have. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them that I'm going to make and use them around the farm. So I'll show you how we made them. All right, you should follow along. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the lengths that we want. So because these are upright, the stringers are upright, obviously this distance here is designed for 2 decking boards wide. We're not going to do that. We're turning them upright. So we do have to add a little bit of reinforcement here that we can attach that decking to. I found that 10 inches was a good length for that. So we're going to cut, I'm going to make 2 of them, so we're going to cut 20 10-inch 2x4s. I've already done one set, and we're going to do the second set real quick. All right, now we got 8 more. Now you have to decide on the length of the display that you want. I've chosen to go with 4 feet, so I'm going to cut all my decking to 4 feet next. Put these over here. You want to put those on the shelf? Mm-hmm. I'll give you 2 piles. All right, so after that, we are done with the saw. So we'll move that down here, unplug it. All right, so after our little detour, the boss came and had a little talk, dropped off some stuff that I broke this weekend. Yeah, Grandpa's the boss. Oh. Wave to Grandpa. Bye-bye. Oh, bye, Grandpa. And then we were talking about the shelves. He dropped off some stuff that I broke. I'm all done making noise, so you have to wear those. I'm all done with the saw. And then, yeah, so next step is to attach the 10-inch shelf reinforcements to the stringers. So I want to make sure to do that on opposite ends. So I kind of face them toward each other. Watch out, I gotta get this. So you got one there too, you can wave to. All right, you want to get, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those boards there. How much? 8 of them.
Just 4.
Yep. Good job.
Another 4.
Perfect. All right. So now using our 2-inch screws, we're going to use this face. Yeah, don't hit that. This faces our back, keeping them even. And screw them in. Thanks, dude. Oh, wait on that. That's good. That's helpful. You want to sit on it? You can sit on it. Climb up there and sit. All right, so now we have our frame setups. Now we can stand them up. Yeah. Did I make that? No.
It looked like you did.
Yeah. Okay, and then using 2-inch nails going through. Now, how do I know it's square? Well, I'm just using my 4-foot measurements, making sure this is all tight and everything in here. And for what I'm doing, I feel it's good enough. All right, and now we'll pick this heavy thing up. Take a look. And that's it. That's it. We'll add some, cut the 2x4 down. We'll add some legs down to it. Take it from there. I'm not worried about any type of structure in between here because I'm not going to put a lot of things that are going to be a lot of weight. So all in all, it's a pretty quick, easy way of building a display rack. I think I got about, I don't even know, $8, I think, for a stringer, 8 to 10. And then $3 for the 2x4. So that'll do it. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know what you build and how you display your porch pots and little knickknacks and things around the barn area. These are all going to be outside. I want people walking around and seeing them and having the price tags right on them. We had them kind of on the ground, and I think that wasn't the best way to display them. So hopefully this will improve those, kind of entice more people to buy them. So, all right, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Take care.